Hello everyone, I'm Tatiana and welcome to Infinite Gist. And today we'll talk about some idioms for work and study. Number one, burn the midnight oil means work late into the night. And I want to give you an example. She burned the midnight oil to finish your project. Up next, back to the drawing board. So this idiom means to start again from scratch. The client didn't like the design, so back to the drawing board. And one more idiom for work and study. In hot water. So in hot water means in trouble. He is in hot water for missing the deadline. On the same page. On the same page means an agreement. Let's need to make sure we're on the same page. Let's need to make sure we're on the same page. A blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise means something that seems bad but turns out good. Losing the job was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one. And think outside the box. Be creative and innovative. Be outside the box. We needed to think outside the box to solve the problem. It's a great idiom. So to think outside the box. One more idiom for work and study is touch base. Means make brief contact or update someone. Make brief contact or update someone. Let's touch base tomorrow after the meeting. And get the ball rolling. So get the ball rolling means start something. Get the ball rolling means start something. Let's get the ball rolling on a new campaign. And one more example. Let's get the ball rolling on the new website design. So, and let's go ahead. And now it's high time to talk about idioms. Just for expressing your feelings and emotions and social and emotional idioms. Let it be social and emotional idioms. So, one of my favorite ones is put yourself in someone's shoes. Yeah, sorry, it's one of my favorite ones, but I mixed the words up. Yep, put yourself in one's shoes. Means imagine being in someone else's situation. Yep, maybe you may say, if I were you, or if I put myself in your shoes. Yep, try putting yourself in my shoes before judging. Yep, or try putting yourself in her shoes before judging, and so on and so forth. So you may use any noun, any pronoun. Yep. Cry over spilt milk. Worrying about something that's already happened, and you can change this situation. Yep. Just no need to cry over spilt milk because you can't change anything. Just put up with it and go ahead because life must go on. And blow of steam means release anger or stress. So he goes jogging to blow off steam, yep, or he goes swimming, fishing, so whatever he does, yep, to blow off steam. It's a great idiom. And A piece of cake. Yep. If you have a sweet tooth, you know what I'm talking about. Yep. A piece of cake. Wow. It's so delicious. A piece of cake. And very easy. Very easy. Yep. That math test was a piece of cake. Get cold feet. Get cold feet means become nervous about a major decision. She usually gets cold feet before her exams, or she got cold feet before her wedding. Hit the sack. And you may say hit the sack, and one more idiom. Hit the hay. Hit the hay or hit the sack. Hit the sack means just go to bed. Go to bed. I'm wiped out. It's high time to hit the sack. Yep, or my daddy is a little bit tired, and he just is gonna hit the sack. Let's go ahead and one more emotional idiom. Give someone the cold shoulder. Ignore someone. Just ignore someone deliberately. Yeah. After the fight, he gave me the cold shoulder. One more. Let's go ahead. Go the extra mile means make more effort than expected. Yeah. She always goes the extra mile for her clients. Our teacher always goes the extra mile for us. Yep. Or her mommy usually goes the extra mile for her and her brother. So that's it. And like I said before, just try to boost your speaking skills, and you may make up some simple sentences of your own with this emotional and social idioms. Yeah, and try to use them in your everyday conversations. Try to play with these idioms with your friends, students, co-workers, and so on and so forth. Just it's summer now, yeah, and relax and wind, chill out, get some rest. So laze around the pool, enjoy the sun, and be a ray of sunshine. Yep, and work on sunshine because today is a sunny day with clear skies. So stay tuned for more updates and insights. Thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for watching Infinite Gist, and subscribe to our channel. I am Tatiana. Thanks for watching us, and we'll see you next time.